Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another problem from Codewars, and it's called Automorphic Number, Special Numbers, yes, 6. And it says a number is called automorphic number if and only if its square ends in the same digits as the number itself. So only if its square ends in the same digit as the number itself. So basically the square of the number should have at the end the same digits as the number itself. Given a number, determine if it's automorphic or not. Warm-up, highly recommended. No. And the note says the number passed to the function is positive, so we won't get negative numbers. And then it says single digit numbers are considered automorphic number. Okay. And it shows some example. So if we given 25, it should return automorphic. So basically they don't want to return true or false, they want to return automorphic or not. So we don't return true or false, we return automorphic if it's automorphic and not if it's not. And this returns automorphic because 25 multiplied by 25 is 625, right? And 625 ends in 25. So let me copy the starting function. And what we're going to say here, we're going to say return, and here we're going to make an expression which is a ternary. Basically, first we're going to make an expression that evaluates to true or false, depending if the number is automorphic or not. And then we're going to make a ternary. We're going to say if it's true, return automorphic. If it's not, return not, right? So what we're going to say, we're going to make some parentheses like this, and then we're going to find the square of n. And what we're going to say, we're going to transform it in a string, and we can transform a number in a string by adding an empty string to it, and I will transform it in a string. And we transform it in a string because we want to use this method ends with, which basically ends with on a string. You can get a string and use ends with another string, and if the first string ends with, like the last letter of the strings or the last characters of the string are exactly the second string that you pass, then it returns true, else it returns false. So we're going to say ends with, and we're going to say again this time n plus empty string. So basically we're going to change this one to a string as well. So we're going to say if this string, which is a square, ends with the number that was square as a string, then we make a ternary. And if you don't know how to use a ternary, how it works, I can link a video here that I made about the ternary operator. And we're going to return, let's see what they want us to return, automorphic. Right, so do this, and if that's false, then they want us to return not. Okay, so let's check this out, this with automorphic of 25 and see what we get. Not automorphic. Console is not the function. Oh. console log, right? It's early in the morning here, so my brain has not woken up yet. And we get automorphic, and what we, if we put like, let's see what happens if we put 12. The square of 12 is 144, it doesn't end with 12, so it should return not. So it returns not, and let's try it out. Control C. Why is this not working? I'm getting an error here. Doesn't let me copy. Command C. What is going on? Let's play this from scratch. I don't know why my copy doesn't work. But let's just say here return n multiply by n plus empty string ends with n plus empty string plus then return. We're gonna return automorphic. Oh, what's going on? now it works. That's such a funny thing. Okay, so this, right? So let's try it out. Okay, works. And attempt, and it works. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did learn something, please give a like, subscribe, and if you subscribe and want to get notifications when I put up new videos, you have to click a notification icon that shows on YouTube channels, and then you're gonna get notifications every time when I upload a video. Alright, have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.